Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a form on Clickup application, so web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Clickup website by going to your browser and search for app.clickup.com, and then you will be able to access to Clickup, and then you will need to create a new account by signing up with your email, or you just log into your account if you have already an existent account. So basically the first thing that we will need to do is to go to our spaces here, and basically we will find all the spaces where we are working, and I only have one space in my working space, and here I'm going to choose any list where you want to create a new form. And basically you can have a new form by just clicking here, going like that, and then you will search for uh, here a list, and let's just name it form. And basically a list can have multiple views, and basically each list that we have, we can have more than one view. So all we need to do, you can just do like that. You can uh, just create a new view, and then you will search for form, or you can just go to the bottom and search for form. And of course you will need just to create a form, and here you will need to click here, because you will need to have the premium version. So I'm going just to start a free trial for my form, and basically those are the forms, or this is the view form of your page or your list. So I'm going to a list where I already have some tasks, so I can see this view. I'm going to click on form, add view, and basically you will have a form description. So basically let's just have form of my list, and then you will add some field by creating whatever you want. So basically let's just have a task name here. So basically you will have the task, and of course here I have this list where I have already some tasks. So basically you will have, for example, the status of each here. So, and now you will be able to add the task's name. As you can see, you can name it whatever you want, and this is of course just a placeholder, and uh, should not be required. And give it like that, or let's just have it deleted, so remove from this form. Let's have task description, and of course we can give it an assignee, and that's all that we can do for our phone. So you can have some colors. Of course those are some premium version settings, and of course you can have a view to your phone. So as you can see, this is just form of my list. You can add some task name, or you can just have, for example, this is your point of view of something, then you give it a description, and then when you submit, also you can for example, if you have this form that has been published to the members, they can just add themselves here instead of adding the emails, etc. And of course you can have as many things, and as you can see, you can have, for example, custom fields like text area, numbers if you want to add websites. You can have multiple things and the multiple idea that you can do with your forms here on ClickUp. So basically this is a general view on how to create form on ClickUp. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.